So hello, I want to quickly show us how we can use our phone to do this task, like to design funnel and websites. Because this phone, if you want to use it for your assignments, you are going to be doing some settings on your browser so that you'll be able to uh, do it conveniently. So I quickly want to go to Chrome now. This is my browser. So and as you can see, this is Chrome browser. You can just tap this plus button. If you want to go to any website, you type in the name of the website you want to go to. But you do that, before you do that, uh, you need to do some settings here on your Chrome. You just go to Chrome here. These three dots at this side here. If you click on these three dots, you are going to see options here. And what I want you to do here is to go to desktop sites. You see this desktop site, you are going to click. If it's not on, mine is on because I always use desktop site for my browsing experience. Do you understand? So if it is yours may be off, so you just click on it. You see, you put it. If it's off, now that I put it off now, so your own will be like this. You just put it on. So immediately you put it on, you go back and you can now go to any website you want to go to. Let's say I want to go to Go Level now. I want to go to Go Level. This is their official website, and this is what I was telling us in the group. If you go to goilevel.com, the only button that they have here is 14-day free trial. I think that 30 days was the one they were using before. They have removed that from their website. They have removed the 30 days trial link from their website, and I just want us to check it and see if that 30 days link is still going to work for us. So let me quickly show us the the function of that desktop site. If I come to this Go level, if I did not set it to desktop site like this is the desktop site here. You see that it's on. If I do not set it to desktop site, let me quickly off it. See, this is how it's going to look like. You see, this is how your phone, if you go to Go level, this is how it's going to look like on your phone compared to when I set to desktop site. See, when I click on this desktop site, you see that it's opening in another way. This desktop site means that it's going to display like a computer. Your phone is going to display like a computer. This is how the websites display on a computer, and that is the only way you can use your phone to design website, design funnels. I'm anything you want to do on Go level software. So you have to set your phone to desktop site so that you'll be able to use it conveniently. Like it's going to give you all the interface. It's going to show it. It's not going to hide any interface for you. If you are not using the desktop site, you won't be able to navigate through the software interface very well. It won't be convenient for you to do that. So that is what I quickly want to show us, because with your phone you can do all this work, you can do it. The only thing you may not be able to do, and that is even when you are going deep, like advanced, you get it, you are trying to add a lot of other menu, a lot of buttons to your funnel, to the page you are designing. That is when I think you may need a mouse, like a mobile mouse, Bluetooth mobile mouse that can work with a phone. I use that too if I want to design with my phone. So immediately, if I just set it to desktop site and I get my Bluetooth mouse, it's going to be, in fact, more convenient. It will just look as if you are working on a computer. Do you get it? That is what I quickly want to show us.